Good morning, I'm Jim at PALS. Today I'm going to go into what goes into replacing windows on a restoration project on an older vehicle. Today we've got laid out in front of you parts for a 48 Dodge Custom Line. What we've got here is this is the original glass. As you can see, the old glass, when it gets old, it starts to delaminate. This is laminated glass. It starts to delaminate and gets all yellow between there. It's also cracked. People think you just change it, but you don't. But it had to go into changing the glass on this side, so we had to go through, restore this, make sure all the rollers and stuff worked. This was all scarred up, and I had to repolish it and replace all the new felts and replace, of course, reseat the glass in this trim. That's one part of it. This other part, this helps hold things together too. This is the vent window. It used to look like this, all pitted and rusty and bad. It's all been, polished and restored and rebuilt. And we also had this sent out and redone. And the man who did it did an excellent job on the wood grain. And then, of course, we had to replace everything and redo all the seals and felts here. And then you've come to the trim. Well, this is the window trim for the driver's side. I've already been working on this side, which is the passenger side. As you can see, this trim's really all twisted up, mangled. It's got adhesive on there, old rusty trim. This is the rusted trim. It's supposed to be nice and have nice felts on there, which keep the window from scratching when you go up and down. So what's involved with this? Have to remove all the rust, any dents or dings in the stainless, and polish it up so it gets to look like this. And then we replace this felt with the new felts, which I had to fabricate because nobody had the right ones for it. That's more work to go into it, and I'll attach that there, and this will be all ready to go back in the car. So basically, anytime you're restoring a car or replacing a glass, there's a lot that goes involved in it. Just so you know, that was just my telling you that it usually takes me about a day for each window on this car. So that's it.
Well, I hope to see